thuso e re batlang re kopa investigation towards the detective, evenly this drug lord ya hae. To say why evenly this drug lord ya hae yona icala e tshwara o khona lo intsha. What about the other previous cases? No, you should stop it. If you don't stop, actually kitse tlo tshwara hobane vele wena o suspect yaka. O thuntse motho ko locationeng. Umthuntse dimpeng bullet dutse spinaleng.
Sure.
Una tshwere o na le the same prison mo nang le ntatwa Siyabonga le abdu hae. O khonne ho ya ho ntatwa Siyabonga. Ankere obvious ne ba le prison kaofela. O khonne ho ya lo bua le yena.
Hello and welcome back to the Hope Revolution podcast. My name is Mraro and I am once again overjoyed because you decided to click on this specific story and follow it. That means a lot to us in our production team and our broader Hope Revolution family. Guys, we are spotlighting you. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share because I am sure that you're going to become a member of our family. Actually, you already are. By the way, please do drop a comment in the comment section below because we are spotlighting you. Drop a comment and then watch the next video to see the handle, your handle there from your account. This is just our way of showcasing our love and our appreciation for your engagement and the fact that you are a big part of what we call the Hope Revolution family. Look, guys, we have opened a membership segment to the channel, and I'm reiterating again, please do join our membership segment. We're going to go out and start engaging our brothers and sisters who have long been asking us to say, guys, I can't come to the studio. My story is unique. It requires you to be here because you need to come and see what's happening here. And yeah, we want to go out to those people and showcase those stories. So please don't hesitate to just join. That would be a great thing for you to do for the family. Now, without wasting time, let's jump into today's story. Today's story is a continuation of the missing child whose name is Siyabonga. We have done two parts of this story. This is part 3 because there's some new information that has come up and we feel that maybe we must bring it to the forefront again so that you guys can then be able to follow. Yeah, so without wasting time, let's welcome our guest, my sister Legai. Osi ke tla re ke mang wa ko kae?
Lebitso la ka ke Nomthandazo ke tswa ko Everton West Station 2.
Okay. O relate jwang le Siyabonga? Maybe before we get into the gist of the story.
Siyabonga batswadi ba rona ke bana ba motho ntatwa Siyabonga le mme wa ka ke di siblings.
Okay. All right. So that's how you relate to them. And then just give us an indication of your experience of this whole thing. There's someone who's just starting to watch this now and they don't have a background. You're working more. Can you basically tell us from your perspective, Ore, what actually happened from the beginning, Katavi Siyabonga?
What transpired Kataba Siyabonga is that on the 9th of December 2025, Siyabonga ne re tsebela ngwana ile sekolong a lo lata report since he was doing grade 11. So we ile vele sekolong and then o tsamile le cousin ae eleng surprise. Okay, it was never a problem or cousin umkhaphile ke bana ba Jutani Siyabonga. He was 17 years. Surprise unal 22. So o latile report and then afterwards cousin a tsamalena ya 4 ways without the acknowledgement ya batswadi. Siyabonga hae o dula le nna le nkgono ke setlolo se seholo. So tshong re ditlolo hele wa Siyabonga. Later on ka bo 5 surprise wa mfounela o ntjwetsa hore Siyabonga o tsamile ka metsi. So na I was shocked o tsamile ka metsi jwang cause re dula locationeng ha ona dinoka and sort of dams. Antjwetsa hore hai ke tlile lena mo 4 ways o tsamile ka metsi ibile metsi a matho haholo a never la mthola le nka simbone Siyabonga. What happened? Hai Siyabonga o telletse breaching stories vele ne di le ngata tsa hae a tshwara mona tloela. And then ra ya sining a re fitla re thole maponesa a le teng. Maponesa lona na le confused hore mtho o re ngwana o tsamile ka metsi and ha o thola o sheba metsi a reng o tsamile ka ona go lo fitlella metsing ya o kena dihlathing. It's not a way o nka reng wa e sebedisa ha ba mbotsa go kile wa tla le mang ena self o gai ne ke qala ho tla but o no tlo batlang hlathing hai Siyabonga o thelletse on the sewerage pipe ha isa le bridge. So le maponesa at some point ana le confused batho ga history sa moshimane wa se clear se utlwa le hantle. Siyabonga ba mshebe the whole December meeting ba ska mthola ba kwale case meeting ba hai ha ona motho meeting until at this present time what happened kore okay surprise cousin ke mthwa sto to vele o tswara body poho wetsa mphakathini vele is a troublemaker. So wo hlaye bothata ba hore a tshware batho bo di phone di eng be case ya mob justice a shapuwe. So obviously o ngwana o lahlile ka baka la hao o santsane o tswella pele ka ntho tse tsa hao ho be le mob justice a shapuwe ha shapua ho tswe taba ngwana hape hore ha ibila no ntse o tswe ngwaneng so tshong le bana ba rona ba safe. If you could sell out your very own cousin ngwana o kae a bue bonneteng hore ai ngwana bonneteng a zanga tlotsa mele ka metsi ngwana ke motho elong o patetse sekoloto sa di drugs ka yena una kolota dis drug lot allocationing e tsebalang from gale vele elong hore ke Zila. So Zila una kolota Zila chelta di drugs so Zila o mkentse khoneng wa patale sekoloto ka ngwana ke tsebe the story vele ka hare. So the question is if o khonore ngwana o mrekise the plan hore a lo nkua for ways what happened hai o no tswile number hore ngwana vele ke lena for ways and then Zila o nansetse mrao le liponesa hore ngwana tlo kidnapwa wa bona. So ngwana vele itse ha fitla le yena mo ne ke le jwetsa go tsamile ka metsi ngwana le metsing ha fitla wa bona. Tsile mo ba fitlile Zila ba tsamaya ka o buile vene banthamo ne le koloi tse 2 wa bona. So what happened ko ba monkile ka forced ba mshapa ka sithung ya he cause una lwana lena a sa batlo tsamaya ba mkenya koloing ba tsamaya le yena. Okay fine re fite station seo re kisitse ngwana and then what's the next step? It's ntatwa ya thola okay ngwana yo o shapuwe ona lo a dule fatshe maybe le family hore ai ngwana ka maybe he's wrong wa bona. Tatwa ya ba motho a focusang hore ngwana ka o shapuwe no sa shebisa kae family. Yes, some of us we were there on the mob justice le abduaka ona monga tshwereng tatwa Siyabonga o tshwere no. But tatwa Siyabonga was not even there mind you. Okay fine ibe motho a reng o lo bula case for go surprise o shapuwe le this drug lot ya cause surprise o lantsha drug lot eo ya hae hore hae ke yena nkile ngwana ke yena a mtsebang yes nna ke a dumela ke mrekisitse ngwana hae but the drug lot and the police officer ke bona ba mtsebang wa bona ho ba mbeile kae cause rona re monka re miste Sosolo
Sasolburg
ke Sasolburg
yeah
ari o iswe Sosolo isale ke mgcina mo ne kna lawyer na kwene le msheba meeting ne kna lawyer ke lo msheba ona fuwa papa ka Miss Minty by then ke motho ene ka rona tlangelletse like abeiwe hostage cause una santsana abatluwa meeting and the idea no lo re believe go tsamile ka metsi wa bona. So fast forward okay o shapwe ke mob justice wena le this drug lord so so bulwa case against rona ene selntwa o shapuwe ke family ene so go shapuwe so tshongona kidnapu the same police officer a reng enele teng a utswa ngwana kena ka jeno a tshwere mmang ntatwa Siyabonga le abutwa ntatwa Siyabonga
sure
the same police officer nna ke makale or every time okay ha rena bothata batho ba tshwere okay let's attend the court ha re ya court even the first appearance ke ya court na ke le tsebe liponisa leo ne ba re ba batla a family member elong hore nkatla ka pele tlo fana ka address cause ena o state hore ya ibila ntatwa Siyabonga le abutwa e tlameha ba chief delegationing if unka etsala hore aba fe bail cause o feel hore yena di victim tsa hae ke bona batho ba belong hore it is alleged hore ona lo o kidnapile ngwana le bona ore ke di victim batho ba utswitseng ngwana ke di victim jwang
sure
batho ba ba feel comfortable if batho ba bankantshuwa tronkong lo ba khutle ba tlo dula locationing so it's better batho ba o batho o tlamaya ba tlo locationing ba lo dula away riska ba lebthata ha ke fitla mo ke re ke lo fana ka the new address the state lawyer ya mpotsa hore ile o wena o mang na ke tshore ke mtshana wa batho ba tshwereng wa bona lebitso la ka ke Nomthandazo leponisa le gonna ho kwena Nomthandazo ibile ntlokwana tlo bua nna le wena re hloka o bua a ntshe ka court a nkise on the other side most number 2 ya wa bona wena you also my suspect ke tlo tshwara le wena you should stop posting tlama o tlo lo poster ngwana wa bolona cause you intimidating me and like ke tlo fellwa ke mosebetsi ka baka lao you also intimidating my victims nna ke mbotsa gore how do I intimidate you o kilwa bona I know you should stop it if you don't stop actually ke tse tlo tshwara go ban vele wena o suspect yaka okay fine if he did that court day o latela another court hearing o ne itse ke fane ka address ha sa tlama o fa batho bail ke motho a ngolang mashano yana batho ba tlameha ho tswa tronkong cause family ya bona e dangerous ba threatenishitse ba itse ba tlo mpolaya so batho ba skatswa batho ba tingwe bail ka baka la gore leponisa every time ha re ya court yena o bua le rona a jeke a ngole leshano a re bitse hape neng yena self o dula re bitse ha re bitsa okay fine a re bitsetse on this other office even my cousin was there or even my other two uncle ha re bitsa a re jwetse the way ya a re o tlo go tlatsa ke tlo le tlatsa lona ke tlo le bontsha like your family regarding this case cause this thing ya lona it's intimidating me o dula a bua ha qala bua it's always about intimidating him ha re qala re bua ka ngwana we intimidating him ke za mo mhlalosetsa gore are you aware gore re lahletswe ke ngwana rona we not fighting the only thing re hlokang ke ngwana wa bona aga ke na taba le ngwano e bilana ha ona le mo ke mbeyang teng ngwano wa bolona wa bona and it happened to years back rona ne re sa lebanyana kile a tshwara a butwa ntatwa Siyabonga watholala go mtswere jwalo it was a wrongful arrest it is a lawsuit against yena self na lawsuit elong go ya attend mthola mtshwara mtho a tswa a re blana I will make sure go ke tlo jeopardize le lawsuit eo ya hae mtho I will even make sure go ke kenal boxing ke tse sure batho ba ha ba tswe tronkong you understand this little uncle ya ka imbotse ere since wele o re jwetsa ka gore o kile wa tshwara abutwa ka mo wena like ska o bua ka past ya lona e re sa etsebeng and there's lawsuit elong go batla o esenya wa etseba past ya batho ba belong gore ba tshwe like ba hutsutse ngwana these people o di claimang ka gore ke di victim wa tsa ke a reng I know Zila. I've known him for years. I know he's a drug lord and there is nothing that you can do about it. Nna ke makale ke re like a whole police officer mara ke mjwetsi you know Zila is a drug lord you've known him for years why you samtshware ka jeno re lahletswe ke ngwana ka baka la bo drug lord ba hae but you still promoting it and you even tell us there is nothing that we can do about it. Like where is justice how ulponisa you should serve the community and even worse where he's selling drugs more it's anti-drugs thing ke how feel police station ya but when now you tell us he's even proud when he says it or I've known him for years I know he's a drug lord and there is nothing that you can do about it a whole police officer.
Sure. I want to take you a little bit back to the search Siyabonga when it was determined or he's missing. The police that were with you then, was he there? The police officer that we're talking about now, was he present? Was anyone from his team present as you guys were searching there? Did you ever see him?
He was never there since it was not part of his investigation because case ya meeting in any case at Douglas Dale case gona re la ibula for ways since the story vele never satse be net ya sona so it was a case a missing person go for ways so yena o kena ha so qala case efeng ya go tlo tshwara bo ntatwa Siyabonga le abutwa hae ka baka la go surprise la shapua the mob justice but the whole story has now been gore e se change you ka tsela e ngore o gona le gore a jwetse ntate wa Siyabonga le abutwa ya re bilane ke tlo le phara ka di attempted murder tse 3 ntate wa Siyabonga I remember on Facebook it was early January Watsa like motho de wa nang le depression ka teng it's a case ya ngwana ya hae qala. He got depressed, he couldn't do anything. Even when it comes to a angodisable statement, I had hore ke tsamaye le ena. Ona sa kgone ho bua mthong. O kilo bona. The next thing o bonka mtha jwalo o bolo mkwalla to say o phito o mjwetse are hobane o lahletswe ke ngwana ka jeno le mphakathi o kwatile ka baka la ngwana wa hae. If a tlo ntshuwa so tjho mphakathi o tlo ema ka manto hape, this thing it tlo cause chaos. So yena o shwella o lahletswe ke ngwana. Le ponesa le wa lejo.
Sure.
If ke o ntsha toronkong mphakathi o tlo kwata, mphakathi o kwata ka baka la ngwana wa hao a lahlileng. The same way ha gona ho jwetsa hore ha ke na taba le ngwana o ibla na ona le mo ke mbeyang teng.
Sure. Tell me, maybe moving away, I want to try and understand, Dori, when the mob just happen, the mob justice when it happens, and then who's a surprise then speaks about the whereabouts. It's about what actually happened to Siabong. Do you guys corner him as a family to ask him more? How could you do this? What engagements do you have with Surprise post the mob justice?
Whatever ntwe eke ratileng despite bosatani bo benzing. Ola communicator le the younger uncle even without Lori maybe amlatelle because he's very close with the young uncle.
Okay.
Ola tshwa re ngenze iphutha. Usiyabonga azange afike nasemanzini. Usiyabonga ngibhadala ngayo isikoleti lento into ejulile kuningi uyabona acoca fela lena a friendly conversation. There's also a voice note jwalo ka mthafire ayitokollang ngenza iphutha. Usiyabonga ile indaba zama drugs, indaba ifaka uzila phakathi vele. Siyabonga kambanga ngamanzi ukuthi vele usiyabonga ngibhadala isikoleti ngaso ngoba uzila besangilandelela kakhulu.
Sure.
Ubuyile yena ola itokolla azama uyikatumetsa to be honest cause even now mind you surprise uzamo azama uyikatumetsa family obviously as family re kwatile go tlile bohloko lahlile ngwana o genga apo le ponesa le zila to turn against us. Rona batho ba khonne ngonka cause we only have 2 years re mtseba surprise it's a cousin re ne re tsala o itseba tatwa o bile le ngwana sa tsimona le ngwana but ra khona re dule le yena ke ngwana bo rona wa bona
Sure.
a re ngenze iphutha ene namanje kuba bhlungu kimi ukuthi khona manje u detective umkhonza khona manje ungitshela ukuthi kumele ngiyotestifya against ubaba waSiyabonga nababelo omncane ubabitsa kabo babo lomncane since bale banyana ontatu hayi uyabona uthi mangihambe ngiyofakaza ene inkingi lokuthi le story mina bayazikhandela. What's a surprise went as far akupe rimkhaphe ho ya police station no detective Mkhonza akupe rimkhaphe re lo jwetsa a prosecutor. We even went to the senior prosecutor hore mtho watsho yena self wa confess hore na case nye ke kentswe but no fear ya ka gore ke feel hore ha ke safe because detective Mkhonza o ntjwetsa hore if nka hana testify against bo babe mncane baka nna ke tlo shwa ke tlo bolawa ke batho ke sa ba tsebeng and o tlo etsa sure case e we shebisa family ebe enkareng o bolawe ke batho ba family cause nna ka jeni ke jigetswe ke family le ena zela ha re sa utlwana lena Mkhonza o ha re utlwane ka baka la hore nna I can see hore this is wrong and ha hona ho ba bohloko hore ke tlameha ke tshwarise family yaka hona tje detective e dutse le family ya hae zila o apparently o thuntse motho ona locationing wa bona perioding eo ya hore batla Siyabonga he is alleged o kidnapile ngwana o thuntse motho ko locationing umthuntse dimpeng bullet dutse spinaleng.
Sure.
Una tshwere una le the same prison mona le ntatu wa Siyabonga le abdu hae o khonne ho ya ho ntatu wa Siyabonga ankere obvious ne ba le prison kaofela o khonne ho ya lo bua le yena hore yena e se gale detective Mkhonza o tlo montsha donko so as soon as a qeta o montsha o tlo dropa di charge cause this thing ya go batho ba donko le yena he feels bad for ntwe le ngo ha ba etsa That's what ntate wa Siyabonga ntho re jwetseng yona ha re ya for visit or high. To my surprise zela ska nna tshwere. Re bua ka senior no segala. I think it was last month. Utshwere last month. Mara the same detective ke ena na tshwere KCI again. Wa khona ala hore detective o tshwere case ya this drug lord site la go tshwere bontate ba Siyabonga ska re ba mshapile. Motho o thuntse motho the same detective ke yona hape tshwereng case ya motho.
Sure.
Ntate wa Siyabonga o re jwetsitse evenly before tlotswa ga izela o ntjwetsitse hore ai o tlo montsha leponisa leo le ska wa ga ena se gale o tlotswa. Ntate wa Siyabonga o tshwerwe ka di 19 tsa January le no ntsa tshwerwe. Mara ona o tshwerwe last month mind you o tswile vele.
Sure.
The family ya bo motho e leng hore o mthunze even le bona they seeking help balla. Or detective ke yone e leng hore e tshwere case ya ngwana bona e sa lo qadile di court date tsa ngwana bona ha ba jwetsa ba so attend court and wa ba omanya ne ke bua le ausi wa teng o na kopile a re o kopa ho tla le yena a tlo bua side la ngwana bona so ke nana o tla ipuella. So ho gona ho ba bohloko hore a whole detective rona re lahletswe ke ngwana e dula e protectile di drug lord. You are alleged to no le teng when the child was kidnapped. Your behavior e re jwetsa eng nakong ya no. Wena ke eng hakana kana ka wena. Why are you so obsessed o hatelle o tlameha no re le bale ka ngwana re focus bathong ba tshwerweng. Ngwana a ga tlameha o mbatla apparently ha o batla ngwana ska ha ke le mo ke a tseba hore already ke mathata. E sala ntsa ntshepiso hore tlo ntshwara le nna tlameha ke lo tshwara ska bontate wa Siyabonga le abtu hae. Ha o qala o bua ka Siyabonga o la re silence re la tlwella lo post.
What I also want to dive into ke taba ya o nkiwa ha hae ba monkela sekoloto ba re ba batla ho etsang ka ena.
So tlameha a lo ba lekgoba a lo ba sebelletsa. This is human trafficking.
Okay.
Yes.
So lona mo le leng teng as a family le ho kae ha le bua kaofela no. What I don't want to ask particularly or what is your plan, but what is the mood kontlong ha le hlakana le bua ka yona tabe?
Yo, it's very bitter. It's very bitter. Ke puzzle sa kopaneng cause ha wa sheba re batla Siyabonga batho ba tronkong like ha re tsebe hore ha o le so kopanya eng wetsa eng jwang. Ka mo re na le leponisa le re dutse mlaleng le re harasang le dulang le re threaten the way a dulang a bua ka teng a tlo go bontshang. Understand? So re kopane this is very painful to be honest. And it's even worse hore re na le di witness tse fitlang lo 15 tse kgonang ho bua ka Siyabonga o ga batlana le ngwana ha kana ngwana o patuwe hona mo.
So thuso e le batlang lona right now as a family ke thuso efeng?
Thuso e re batlang re kopa investigation towards the detective evenly this drug lord ya hae. To say why evenly this drug lord ya hae yona e qala e tshwara o khona lo intsha. What about the other previous cases? Ke eng e kana I protectang? How can motho e be victim e be suspect hape ho wena? What about our safety? Mthaso re tlo feel safe jwang? So now I feel like it would be fair if lo ronka kena ska tsona di national hawks o kene ka po madlanga anyone I don't know anyone out there with the investigation NPA ha ke ikenelle le yona okay o recheck di case ties ka case ya bontate wa Siyabonga cause even le court 5 mo ba attendant thing I can assure you hore le magistrate somewhere somehow there's confusion maybe until he itlo bua ya cases ka no ha re ya September o kentse batho trialing ke bao o hanne wentse sure ha ba tswe ka bail.
Sure.
Cause kilpone se long hore he's above the law yena. He's above the law bona hore le connection e teng hore anything he can do anything cause una trenda ka hore yena o gwebisa batho. It was going to be a good thing if a gwebisa batho ditsotsi specific. But from now on signal mindset ya hore scan na hlaile whatever newspaper in a lister kapo eng atume ka go gwebisa batho so tshonke ntwa e etsang o dula gwebisa batho ba innocent ditsotsi di dule kantle. So that is why now I'm pleading hore ke kopa re thuswe ka leponisa lena to be honest because it's not useful or re nne re round in circles where else the truth re kgona ho e bona ho etsalang and o ntsa re hatelle no zama ka matla o tlameha ho bo etsaleng re tshwarwe ntlo kaofela.
Sure. Ke a utlwa.
Yes.
No, thank you so much for sharing. And I believe that our family is watching. I believe that they will aid us in terms of what is it that we must do to put pressure on the public entities that you have escalated to try and see how can we navigate and get to a point where we engage them on pressuring them to say this is of utmost importance. We must attend to this case as soon as possible. But if you're sitting at home and you've got a thing or two that you can help my sister with, please don't hesitate to, contact us so that we'll be able to, advise her on, what she can do going forward. Or also just send us an email on, the contact details that are showing on the screen so that we can then be able to receive you in safety. I would have asked my sister to give out her number, but because of safety reasons, I will ask not to. Anyone who wants to get in touch with her can come through us. Alternatively, you can watch the previous episodes of the people that have already been on the show talking about this issue and reach out to them so that we can then sort of find a way forward. This is one of those cases that are, quite sensitive. Any parent who loses a child, who also loses their freedom because of the pursuit of their own child, is a very unfortunate experience, and it's painful. It becomes painful to everyone who's looking, whether they're family, whether they are friends, whether it's the community, because she is saying that the community is in support, the community is assisting where they can, but their powers are also limited. So if you have the manpower, if you have the ability to be able to help us with regards to this issue, please reach out to us so that we can see how to navigate it. Maybe in closing, my sister, Harsin Zerakwala, is there anything that you would like to say to anyone at the moment? Maybe there's something that you would have wished that I asked you, which I have not asked yet, or maybe there's just a message you'd like to send to a particular person. Ukaratore.
I would like to direct the message to the detective to say, Detective, unale bana o tswetse. We were never in a war, wena, re lwane le wena, re lahlehetswe. Ngicela ube nobuntu, humanity. I understand why sometimes una ntho tse bitswang ka hore ke di generational curses. It's because of diketso tsa batswadi ba rona. I can imagine the pain e leng hore Siyabonga is going through, and wena jwalo ka motswadi, you keep on hore o hatelle hore ngwana wa safari. As much as we itjwetsa hore maybe o lematsa rona ska ha o itse o tlo go tlatsa. Umtswadi lwena, whatever that Siyabonga is going through, mind you, hore hosane pain ya ngwano inkaba pain e leng hore hosane inka lematsa bana ba hao. In a contextual sense ya hore bana ba hosane ba nka hlahelwa ke dibate, ha ke re ba nka hlahelwa ke taba hore ba they go through what Siyabonga went through. But ke feel hore o tshela family ya hae like ka madimabe, understand that it's totally wrong. Try to put yourself in the shoes. Ntatwa Siyabonga ko le umtshwere o tronkong, and when are you proud about it? Ke understand that pain yo reng wa re tlatsa ska o tshilo wa re tlatsa. What about Siyabonga? Nna ke lla ka ngwana. I mean, it's from December ke 8 months no ngwana re sa mthole se re bile re ya ho 9 months. If ine le ngwana hao o no tlo feel jwang? Understand hore ngwana se ngwana ka wa hao fela. It takes a village to raise a child. The same way o na le bana le Siyabonga o tla mo consider ka gore ke ngwana hao. Ha tswalwa ke ntja o tswetswe ke motho. Le ntja hao ha e lahlehile wa e batla. Rona we were never wrong ka gore re yo di social media re lo batla thuso cause ngwana o lahlehile ene ha ona action e tsalang. Ngwana wa batlahala, detective, ra kopa.
Thank you. Maybe Siyabonga will be able to watch this episode somehow. What do you want to say to him?
Yo, icon. Yo, Siyabonga boy, yo. Knowing hore o ngwana jwang Siyabonga, you don't deserve this whole thing. Siyabonga ha o tsubi ke tshole sigarete, o ngwana disciplined haholo. The pain that you're going through, o tsebe Modimo o teng, and God does miracles. And have faith Siyabonga. I know ba o bolaile o ntso phela, but itjwetso hore whether ka thato ya motho kapo jwang modimo o teng, we will be reunited. I don't know how, but God will make plan. And in no way, we don't blame you ka anything. We so sad and hating the way ba o nkileng ka teng. Ra tseba Siyabonga maemo le ngwana. La so leng ya hope o le jwang. Ra tseba ngwana bo rona ha wa iketsa. It was never by your choice. So Siyabonga, we pray lwena mo o leng ngwana bo rona. We jwetse fela hore hae o tlo fitla. I don't know how, but modimo teng, that's what I can say.
Thank you. Thank you so much for being part of this amazing episode. It is indeed a sad experience to know that the child that you're looking for, to know that a piece of yourself is still alive out there, and there's just one or two people or a number of people that are standing in between you and that person. It is a very sad experience. It's something that we do not want as a family. We highly discourage this sort of behavior from members of our society. This is not acceptable. We can't live in a place of this nature. And unfortunately, this is happening. This is happening in real time. And this could happen to you tomorrow. This could happen to me. This could happen to anyone who's watching this episode. And we only pray that members of the family can come together and try to see how we can, best resolve this. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sharing and liking. Thank you so much for commenting. Please reach out to us. If you want to sit here and be a member of the family and be able to have your say with regards to your story, don't hesitate to, send us an email or drop us a comment in the comment section. You can also DM us on TikTok and Facebook as well. Thank you family. Thank you, family, for being such an amazing and loving community. From me, my amazing guest, and the team in studio, it's bye for now.